All right, we're back at the wide shot for yet another unboxing, and I think you're really gonna. I know I'm gonna like it, but I hope you do too. So let's get started with probably an unboxing that would make Brad Pitt proud.
What's in the box?
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Mark Summers, Major Linux, and it's time once again for another major unboxing. And I'm gonna preface this right now saying I am actually recording this way earlier than this video is going to be put up on YouTube, because I have something here. It's top secret. It's top secret. When I received this, it was top secret. I'm not gonna tell you when I received it, but hey, just know it is now here at my house. It will, by the time this video goes live, it would have been here for a while, and I'm hoping to have a separate video go up with my experiences with this product that's in this box. I'm really excited to show it to you. I have not seen it. I just got home from work. I took this from off my stoop, which I'm glad it stayed there for as long as it did. But yep, we've got trusty knife, and we're going to go ahead and open this box. Again, I have not seen it. I know what it is, but I have not seen it. This is a thing that, you know, is not currently available as of the time of this recording. I am cutting this box all weird because I am nervous. Definitely shout out to the company who sent me this. Oh, look at that, look at that. You can almost see it. You can almost see who it's from. Just gonna do a slow reveal. We'll open the box. We're gonna see what's inside. Yeah, you can kind of see who might have sent me this mystery box. I'm gonna slide this box over to miss the microphone a bit. Oh, look, it's Elgato. Elgato has sent me something. So shout out to the folks over at Corsair and Elgato from hooking me up with what looks to be a Stream Deck pedal. Oh my goodness. This thing is that, you know when you get boxes that are big and they seem like they're very empty up until you get the thing you actually ordered or bought, and then you pulled it out and it's like, wow, actually this thing does have some weight to it. Ladies and gentlemen, I am one of, and hold on, I'm gonna take a look here. It does not look like they want this back, so this seems like this is mine, which I am happy for. Oh man, this makes me excited, but we'll get to that in a second. Shout out to Elgato and Corsair for sending over the Corsair, the Elgato Stream Deck pedal. Can streamline your setup. So essentially, like, again, I'm gonna go off on a whim here because again, there's nothing for this. This is the first time I've ever seen this. I've not seen Elgato or anybody talk about this product. I had no idea this existed outside of being approached to cover it. So I'm going to go out on a limb, and I guess in a week from now or whenever, be able to accurately tell you what this thing does. But from what I am understanding, seeing how a lot of people have been wanting to kind of complement what they have for the streaming, I imagine that this pedal right here will be used underneath a desk. You can put your foot on it and it will help you, switch scenes, turn on and off sources. Something where it's like if you need that quick action, like I imagine like, hey, there was a clippable moment and you can't be bothered to reach across the desk, but you know, you can step on the pedal to make those clips, to fire off something on your stream, to launch an application, which that seems like a very limited use of a Stream Deck pedal. But I mean, I can see like for quick actions that could be done repeatedly while you're sitting at a stream doing something. Let's say if you are playing VR, this going outside of even streaming, like if you're on VR and you need something to kind of like, you know, force close an application or something like that, or to switch a mode in your VR headset or something. I imagine. I don't know. I've got an Oculus Quest 2. I'm sorry. Is it the Meta Quest? I digress. Anywho, I am excited. Again, I am talking because I'm nervous. I've never done anything like this before. Have a product that nobody knows about. Like, for real, this is what we're doing here. So again, I can't say thank you enough to Corsair and Elgato for trusting me with this, to be able to cover this for them. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up. Apparently this is the retail packaging, I imagine. So I imagine this will probably won't be launching soon. Of course, you've got 3 customizable pedals. So okay, so hey, guess it's a pedal here, pedal here, pedal here. So 3 buttons as opposed to the one I thought it was. Single and multi-action support, adjustable pedal pressure, and a detachable cable. So that way, hey, if you need to break it away, or if it gets caught in a vacuum or pet or a child, it's not gonna take your whole PC with it. It'll just probably disconnect, maybe make it easy to move. So let's see, comes with the Stream Deck pedal, 4x2 spring tension customizable customization sets. Let's see, 2 middle pedal stoppers, USB-C to USB-A cable, and a quick start guide. Of course, we got on the back here, looks like it's going to be it's using the Stream Deck software to program everything in. Of course, you can see right here, very nondescript shoe. That shoe looked pretty good. I'm looking for new shoes. Would have loved to have bought that, but I guess I don't know who makes it. So you're looking at heavy duty construction, adaptable design. It works on Mac and Windows. I'd actually be curious to use it here in the unboxing set too, but I don't know right now what that would look like. Of course, it works with all of these things as it gets plugged into Stream Deck. Let's see, that's pretty much it. Yep, that's it. That's the rest of the box. So let's get inside the box. What is in the box what is Brad Pitt's car? I've never seen 7, so I have no idea. Oh, let's see, open it. So let's see. So got this little tab here to pull straight through. We can get that open. Man, I am so excited. Oh, and here we go. Sorry about that. So of course, yes, we've got the Stream Deck pedal here. Of course, we set that off to the side so we can look at everything that's in the box. Of course, you got the manual, pedal stoppers. Let's got quick start guide, maybe warranty information. Oh, safety information. Spring set. So I guess, again, I guess this is the adjustable tension. And a nice braided USB-A to USB Type-C cable. Oh, and it's gold plated too. This is just fancy. I wonder if this is going to make it into the retail sets here. It's a nice fancy golden. Look at it. It's so golden. Come on, no focusing. Yeah, sorry, my bum arm. I cannot reach. Let me see if I can reach up to the camera here and tap it. There we go. Yeah, look at that gold plate. Look at that gold plated cable. Look at that. This is sexy. And I think that is it. That's it. Now normally I would yeet boxes across the floor, but I will not do that here. I have a little too much respect for this. Just in case they want it back, I'm just gonna keep it nice and neat here. And we're gonna get back to the main event. So I like this little bag they have in. Nice little cloth bag here. Guess keep everything nice and it is really cold. Yeah, this is metal. This is really metal. It's been sitting outside and it is really cold. I guess to kind of get the date this video a little bit, when I got it, it is about to snow here in North Carolina in the next few hours. So hey. But yep, here we go. This is the Elgato Stream Deck pedal. Of course, like I said, they've got 3 pedals. They've got the 1 middle pedal here and your 2 side pedals. So texturized plastic here. Of course, you've got your USB Type-C port down here. And on the bottom, it is very, very cold. Moisture has appeared on it. Metal construction down here at the bottom. So yes, it's very heavy duty. I don't want to sit there and break it too much. Like, I'm wondering in the book, let's see if the book actually has the way to, or if it tells you how to change those. Okay, yeah, so yeah, if you take off the back plating here, that's how you can kind of adjust the stoppers, put the springs in for the various pedals. So yep, and see, like, I'm provide you with setup action stuff once you plug it into the PC. But yeah, so right now I have, like, again, I just opened this up. I am going to use this secretly, seeing as I don't stream much often. Well, I might just to kind of get used to what this is and how I can really use it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it through its paces, get this hooked up onto the PC, probably set it up with probably use it on a couple of streams, so we can kind of get that, I guess, not necessarily hands on, but feet on, shoes on, socks on. And I guess too, maybe that's the reason why they may not want this back, because it will be stepped on, and it's like, nah, you keep that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up, get it set up, and see what I can use this for with streaming, with other type of content creation, and definitely will have hopefully another video come up shortly after this one goes live. I don't remember when the embargo date is, but I'm going to check on that and then probably upload this video the day before to make sure it does not leak, because I do not want it to be the leaker of such an amazing thing. Again, shout out to Corsair and Elgato for hooking me up with the Elgato Stream Deck pedal. I do not know when this will be releasing. Maybe I'll have some more information at a later date, or maybe by the time this video goes up, it would have been properly announced, and then hey, we'll all know together. But until then, thank you all for tuning in into another major unboxing for the Elgato Stream Deck pedal. Of course, all I've got left to say to you wonderful people is I love you and peace. Y'all still here? Anywho, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Really do appreciate it. Of course, if you like the content that you just saw, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, do all the things that the YouTubers ask you to do. I guess that includes me now. Anywho, yes, like, comment, subscribe. Really do appreciate it. Support the channel over Patreon, PayPal, whatever. Check out the links in the video. To anything else I might be pushing, hawking, I don't know. Did I sell out by now? I recorded this ages ago. Have I sold out? Let me know. But until then, I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.